Hi everyone, Melissa here, Mo Creations, coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project. And so today I am using the You've Got Mail treat box die. So I'm using this side as well as this side, used all the pieces. I'm also using the You've Got Mail add-ons, and I'm just using the flag and the little pumpkin there. I'm using the leaf plate, which is right here, and I'm only using these leaves here. From the Bumblebee Gnome dies, I'm using this here. Strawberry plate dies. I'm using some flowers that I got from Shabby Pink House. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Anyways, came from the strawberry flower plate dies. And then from the I Love Stampin' Dies, I'm using these stamps. I Love Fall Stampin' Dies. And the paper I am using is the Halloween 2024, and I'm using the purple from there. Love that. And here goes this beautiful mail treat box that I made. It is just adorable. Love the flowers. I did ink up the flowers with Marigold Distress ink and the Concord Distress ink as well. Just so pretty. And I also used the Marigold on here along with tea dye ink to make that color as close to the pumpkins as possible. And then I also cut out the design and put it on the flag there. Just adorable. I love how this turned out, so pretty. I did layer this 4 times so it can be nice and sturdy, but everything looks beautiful. There goes that Autumn Blessings from that I Love Fall stamp set. And then this here is from that Bumblebee Gnome dies, but it turned out so pretty. I love it. All of the items will be linked down below. If you would like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so. Or on release weekends, it's 15% off. Once again, that code is MOE for the discount. And if you'd like to use any of the Design Team Sisters codes, you may do so. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.